I am a goddess consciously creating my body, my world, and my reality.
You feel the light flowing from within you. Your beauty knows no bounds.
Light radiates from my core. Every cell hears me. Every cell feels me. Every cell responds with light.
You are radiant, magnificent, eternally young. Every cell in you hears you.
I am radiant. I'm alive. I'm eternally young.
Mirrors love you. You feel it. Your presence heals. Your breath creates miracles.
I hold the code of royal beauty. I am divine beauty in a human form. I shine from within. I attract miracles. I attract admiration.
Your body knows how to rejuvenate. You resonate in the royal frequency of beauty.
Beauty follows me. Beauty surrounds me. Beauty speaks through me.
You were made for eternal radiance.
My presence heals. My energy rejuvenates. I am the alchemist of rejuvenation.
Your gaze transforms the world around you. You are a goddess, and the world feels it.
Time holds no power over me. I grow younger with every breath. I renew with every night. I sleep like a goddess. I wake up as light.
Every glance carries your light. Each word imprints into your cells.
My body remembers its perfection and returns to it. I am regeneration. I am renewal. I am a miracle.
Your consciousness is rewriting time. Light flows through your entire being.
I anchor radiance and magnetism within me. I attract gazes. I attract respect. I attract the world.
Love is rejuvenating you. Your DNA remembers beauty. Rejuvenation is your natural state.
I shine so brightly. Everything around me transforms. My natural glow is my power, my protection, my magic.
Your skin is glowing. Every cell breathes beauty. You feel youthful power within your body.
Mirrors love me. Water remembers me. Beauty follows me like a shadow. I am its source. I am a magnet for beauty. I am the force of light.
Your breath is an elixir. You're beautiful right now.
I am a conscious goddess, and so it is.
Your essence is magnetic. Your body grows younger with every breath.
The code of eternal youth flows and vibrates through my body and entire being. My body knows how to stay young. My body knows how to heal. My body knows how to rejuvenate every cell.
Your beauty is unstoppable. People notice, and they don't forget.
Each day, each night, I renew myself. Regeneration is my natural setting. I was born for eternal freshness and radiance. Rejuvenation is my choice, and I choose it now.
When you enter the space, everything shifts.
I resonate in the royal frequency of beauty. I'm so deeply beautiful, the world silently acknowledges it.
Your light, your power, your beauty, your femininity is a blessing to the world. Yes, right now, you're receiving this power.
My presence is like a fragrant flower, gentle yet unforgettable. Beauty is not only what I see in the mirror, it's what I radiate from deep within.
Everything is possible. Your body is listening. Everything within you is tuning to light. And so it is.
I shine from my eyes. I glow from my skin. I radiate from my soul. Beauty flows through me like golden light, and no one can resist it.
You feel the light flowing from within you. Your beauty knows no bounds.
I am the queen of my reality, and my beauty is the crown of my being.
You are radiant, magnificent, eternally young. Every cell in you hears you.
I embody femininity and the goddess. My gaze is deep and magnetic. My eyes radiate wisdom, youth, and magic.
Mirrors love you. You feel it. Your presence heals. Your breath creates miracles.
People want to be around me because they feel life within me. My energy is fresh like morning dew, powerful like the moon over mountains. My presence is an elixir to every heart it touches.
Your body knows how to rejuvenate. You resonate in the royal frequency of beauty.
I'm a living reminder of what light looks like in human form. I anchor this seal of youth within me.
You were made for eternal radiance.
My body and skin rejuvenate naturally day by day. Every cell in my body shines with life, beauty, and power.
Your gaze transforms the world around you. You are a goddess, and the world feels it.
I radiate youthfulness, health, and inner spark. My skin is smooth, fresh, and glowing, like touched by light. Time works in my favor. Every day I become more beautiful.
Every glance carries your light. Each word imprints into your cells.
I love my body, and it returns that love with beauty and vitality.
Your consciousness is rewriting time. Light flows through your entire being.
A natural glow rises from within me, drawing attention and admiration. I embody youthful energy, calm and feminine strength.
Love is rejuvenating you. Your DNA remembers beauty. Rejuvenation is your natural state.
Each breath brings new energy and freshness into me. Beauty is my natural state. It flows from me effortlessly.
Your skin is glowing. Every cell breathes beauty. You feel youthful power within your body.
My skin regenerates from deep within, every night, every day. My hair, skin, and eyes shine with vitality and health. I believe in my beauty, and it blossoms like a living flower.
Your breath is an elixir. You're beautiful right now.
Every cell in me knows how to be beautiful, youthful, and harmonious. I am radiant right now, in this very moment, without conditions.
Your essence is magnetic. Your body grows younger with every breath.
I am divinely beautiful. My beauty is undeniable and magnetic. I shine like living light. My energy is enchanting, unforgettable. Every glance at me is a touch of beauty itself.
Your beauty is unstoppable. People notice, and they don't forget.
I grow younger with every breath. My body knows how to regenerate, rejuvenate, and shine. I am living proof that time has no power over me. My skin is smooth, firm, and radiant, as if kissed by the goddess of youth.
When you enter the space, everything shifts.
From my natural beauty flows strength, allure, and charisma. Every cell in my body knows I was made for radiance, health, and eternal youth. I embrace my divine femininity, deep, mystical, magnificent. My energy is healing, seductive, and refreshing.
Your light, your power, your beauty, your femininity is a blessing to the world. Yes, right now, you're receiving this power.
When I enter a room, the space transforms. Beauty is not something I wear. I am beauty itself. I was born to shine, and I shine so powerfully it changes everything around me. I fall in love with my image, my presence, and my glow again and again. My beauty is not about age. It is about power, awareness, and truth. Every day I rise stronger, more beautiful, and more irresistible, and it shows.
Everything is possible. Your body is listening. Everything within you is tuning to light. And so it is.
Let every word enter my cells. Let every word rewrite time in my body. Let every word open the flow of light in my system. Beauty is my DNA. Light is my memory. Consciousness is my doctor. Love is my elixir. It has happened. It is happening. And it remains so.